Assalamu alaikum dear students. My name is Safdar Isa. Today question is find C of mean value theorem. Fx function of x is equal to x square root x minus 2 on two conditions 2 and 4. Put value of 2 function of 2 is equal to 2 minus 2 0 function of 2 is equal to 0. So function of a is equal to 0. Now put value 4 is equal to 4 minus 2 under root. Function of 4 or function of b is equal to 2 under root. For mean value theorem, function derivative of c is equal to function of b minus function of a over b minus a. No, function of x is equal to x minus 2 power 1 over 2, and function derivative of x is equal to 1 over 2 x minus 2 power minus 2, and function derivative of x we write it as 1 over 2 into square root x minus 2, and function derivative of c is equal to 1 over 2 square root c minus 2, as function derivative of c function of b minus function of a over b minus a is equal to 1 over 2. We will put value of function of b and function of a. 2 under root minus 0 over 4 minus 2 is equal to 1 over 2 minus 2. 2 under root over 2 is equal to 1 over 2 c minus 2. Now multiply on both sides by 2 square root c minus 2 on both sides. Cancel, and 2 cancel by 2. We will get 2 is equal to 1. We will write in 1 square root c minus 2 into 2 square root is equal to 1, and 2c minus 4 is equal to 1. By taking square root on both sides, c minus 4 square root is equal to 1 square root. 2c minus 4 is equal to 1, and 2c is equal to 1 plus 4. 2c is equal to 5. C is equal to 5 over 2. This is our answer.